Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra, a US-based known expert in the area of IT risk, IT audit, IT security and IT compliance with extensive industry experience across top Fortune 100 companies, having authored and appeared in several media and journal publications. Welcome to my channel, IT with Varun Vohra, to master the fundamentals and concepts not available in any book or over the web, most trusted channel and resource to build or advance your career in IT audit, IT security, IT SOX, IT risk, and IT compliance. Friends, as part of our ITGC journey, I already have over 150 videos related to various control areas across application, server, and database layers, with a new video every week on my channel to help you understand these concepts thoroughly to build or advance your career. Today we'll start the next control area under operations ITGC category, which is backup and recovery, and understand how to test the backup and recovery for a Windows server. Before we dive in, let us understand why is this control area important. In case of loss of data and other critical information due to any reason like hardware failure, cyber incident, natural calamity, and there can be several other reasons due to which you can have loss of data or information, this control helps with the recovery required to resume IT operations, and that is the key reason it's placed under the operations ITGC category. Now friends, backing up a Windows server primarily covers backup of a number of things which I've listed here on the board as well. So some of the key things which the backup will cover are system files, which are the critical system components such as registry, boot files, Active Directory, and so on. Another category which is backed up is the user data. Any sort of user profiles and documents related to user data is also backed up. Third category is boot config data, which is the information required for the system to boot properly. And finally, it will also back up the class registry database, drivers, and other system specific files. So that's what primarily a Windows server backup will cover. Now there are different backup solutions in the market for a Windows server. To name a few, I've highlighted them here just so that you have knowledge around what kind of backup solutions you might see in the market as well as in your own company and organization. So first example is the Veritas backup. Acronis is another backup tool, Carbonite, Commvault, Nova backup, and so on. So I've listed just a handful of them, but there is a long list of backup solutions available for Windows Server. Based on whatever backup solution is being leveraged in the company for the Windows Server, we need to then request this stuff for testing, and I'll go into the detail in a minute for all the key steps which we need to complete the testing for backup and recovery of a Windows server. So let's start with the first key step, which is the request.